Okay, so if you're going to be using Discovery Education videos and you want to put an assignment in Moodle having kids look at specific items from Discovery Education, probably the best thing to do is to find that material before you start building the assignment. That makes sense. You actually can search even once you start creating the assignment, you can search from within there, but I think it's better to go ahead and have your ducks in a row before you begin. So, for example, I'm going to go find some things. I can type in Alamo, and I can narrow this down to 6th through 8th grade, so I make sure what I get is appropriate. And then I can get this list. And of course, I can always click on something to check it out. And you'll notice this little plus arrow and this little drop down. If you do the drop down menu, you can say add to my content. And oops, it looks like I already did it. And I can pick, I want to add it to the Alamo assignment and add to selected. It'll throw it in that folder. Or, you know, when you do add to my content, you can create a new folder and then choose it over here and add to selected to put it in your folder. And that'll just help keep your videos organized. And really, it's just a way of kind of bookmarking things in an organized way on Discovery Streaming. Okay, so you do that. You'll notice that same little drop down is here. So like if you want this image to be something that your students see, you could do the drop down. I'm going to add to my content. I'm going to put it under Alamo assignment. Okay, so I find all of my stuff. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Builder Tools and go to Assignment Builder. And I'm going to do Create a New Assignment. I'm going to enter an assignment title. So I'm going to put maybe 7th grade History Alamo assignment. And I can pick what grade it is. Oops, 7th grade, and it's Social Studies. And it says receive email notification when an assignment is updated. That's if you put your classes all in here, which you're welcome to do, but it isn't absolutely necessary. So I'm going to just save and continue. And then it's going to say, where do you want to save it? I want to save it into the Alamo assignment. Okay, and then it gives me 3 sections. Here's the secret. All these sections are exactly the same. You don't have to have these sections. They all look the same. I'm going to actually delete 2 of these and edit this one. They all look exactly like this. It says enter assignment section title. This one says assignment instructions. I'm going to just say Alamo assignment. And I can write directions to the kids here, and this is going to show up where I want it to go. I can even put HTML. I can put things in there. I can put a web link in there if I wanted to. And then now it says attach resources from. Here's where if you don't have anything in mind, you could search at this point. But if you have some in my content, you can go into that Alamo assignment thing. That's an old one. I'm going to add those things that I'd already selected, and now they're added to the assignment. Okay, finish editing. So there it is. If you want to, you can add multiple sections. So you could have a section with videos, a section with instructions, or like they had, you could have a section with standards, you know, if you wanted to. Okay, you can preview this to see what this is going to look like. So when the students go to the site, they're going to see this, they're going to see the name of your section, and then they're going to see your directions that you type here. Please watch the videos below, and then go back to the Moodle site and answer the questions. Okay, something like that. They just have to click on this to play the video. Okay, and you're going to save and continue. All right. And then you'll notice assign to a class or student. If you have classes set up, you can do that. Otherwise, you can just go here, assign by code or URL. Okay, I would just do the URL, and you're going to copy this URL and then put that in your Moodle site as the link. And what happens is when they click on that, the students don't have to log in. They just go here and they can go straight into the watch the videos. If they do the code, then you'll know how many students go in, Like it'll count how many students go in, but it won't distinguish them from one another. So either way is fine. And yeah, I don't want to assign it to a particular class. And then I've got this assignment, and it will save that assignment then for next year if you want. So that's how you would use that with Moodle, and I hope that is helpful to you.